What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, another paintball video. We're gonna be doing a quick unboxing. I did buy some stuff for the trip that we're gonna be taking. We're gonna be going to Chicago. We're gonna explore the city. We're also gonna be paintballing out there. We're gonna be going to Explosion paintball field, so stay tuned for that vlog. So for now, let's get to that unboxing. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys been giving us. And also when traveling, use this tool right here. It releases the air out of your tank. So you unscrew it on top, and then it releases the air, and then you switch the key to take off the top, the regulator. TSA, when you're flying, they want to be able to check what's inside. If not, they won't let you fly with it. They're gonna end up keeping it. So get yourself one of these tools from H2K. So that's one. So let's start with the loader case. I got them from Exalt. Nice little cloth in there. So let's throw it on there. Check it out. Spire 4. Then so far so good. It's a speed feed. So there it is, guys. And this is a little pouch. But that's for the hopper, or maybe like another rain cover, rain shield. I got an extra one. Speed feed from HK Army. It's pretty good. We can throw those on there. I don't think it'll fit though, but it's pretty good. If it's a Spire 4, I don't know what other hoppers. I think if it's the die hopper, yeah, I really don't know what else you can fit on here. So that one's good to go. So I got these hard shells because we are gonna be traveling. We're going to Chicago, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that vlog. So we put that aside. And then the next one's for the tank. Same thing. Somewhat of a hard shell. So this one you can fit it, and it has a little strap too. I forget what are the sizes that it fits. I think without a regulator you could put a 88 on there, or an 80. This one's a 68 cubic inches tank right here from HK Army. So obviously you're gonna fly with without the regulator, but I just want to show you guys just for the video. Fits nice and good right there, perfect. So at the end of the video we'll be showing you how to take that off, so stay tuned. So that's that for the tank. I also got one for my mask. I heard a lot of good things about this one, the V3 goggle case. So it does fit a JT mask, ProFlex. Just got the mask. Been rocking it double strap. So yeah, let's fit it in there. I'll show you guys. It's good. And then what I like, it has a mesh. So it's super breathable. And you guys can fit a little compartment here. What I was gonna use it for, I'm gonna throw on a clear lens, just in case it's hard to see out there. So it fits. So let's see if it's gonna close. The zipper is pretty good. Well, that's the V3 goggle case. A quick unboxing. Just wanted to show you guys traveling stuff that we're gonna need for Chicago. And I also wanted to show you guys the giveaway straps for all the paintball community. So once we hit 1,000 subs, I am gonna be giving out some Hormesis and JT ProFlex straps. Let me show you guys really quick. For everybody that's been giving out the support. Hormesis collab. the black one. So make sure you guys are subbed. We are gonna be doing a final giveaway video once we do reach the 1,000 subscribers. So you guys want to stay tuned for that. Just wanted to show you guys the giveaway stuff. And for all the biker community, if you guys are watching this, we are gonna have a separate giveaway for that. I'm gonna show you how to take out the air on the tank. That's gonna be it, and we'll see you guys in Chicago. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so we got the tool here. We're gonna try to do this. Never done it before. It shows you instructions. Simple. So first, I'm gonna take out the air. So sorry if it gets noisy. Just screw it on there, I guess. Alright, all the air is out. Now you want to unscrew it. And what you want to do, you want to spin it counterclockwise. They might have Loctite, some tanks don't, but once you unscrew it once, you'll be good. So you want to kind of put pressure on it and start twisting it. So all tanks supposedly they all come off, but this one probably has Loctite. Alright guys, so we got the air out of the tank. So what you want to use is the round part, and you want to put it on the, I guess it's called the nipple, where you put the air. So what I was doing off camera, since it does have Loctite, I've never taken it out before. I grabbed a little mallet and I banged it a few times. So now you're able to twist it off, and you're able to fly with this, and TSA won't give you no issues. Look at that. So this tool comes in handy. Great job, whoever did it, came up with it. And I guess it works for those people that are traveling and playing paintball all the time, all the pros. But since we're not pros, but we're flying, we still need it. So TSA wants to look in there, I guess. And now you're prepared. The regulator, you put it away somewhere. Case here. So the tank fits perfect. And you're ready to fly without any issues. And you can, I guess, put your regulator in here. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for that giveaway video. See you guys in Chicago. Peace.